Go.
Hello! Today we're using new helicopter. It's this one right here. Yeah, right here. Helicopter called the S102. Yeah, S102G marine helicopter. So, as you can see, same remote. This remote. And it's gonna fly. So let's click this. 3-channel, guys. Made by Gyroscope Systems. Here. That. And here. On. Ready. Set. Go. So this is really easy to control. Really hard to break. It has lights on it. And let me try to close. Oops. That's a fail. But let me try to close up to the camera. Okay, yeah. And like the previous version, this is actually a double protection. Not triple protection, the roller strip protection like the red one, but double protection, so it's really good for protection. It doesn't have this metal stuff here, so hard to break the tail and stuff, and really durable, but indoors only, and cool. Yeah, so landing, and thank you for watching the S102G video. Bye bye.